When was the last time you cleaned your dishwasher filter? Most of them are at the very bottom of your machine and are pretty easy to take out. We like to put them in the sink, run some water. You can clean it with the all-purpose cleaner. You can also clean it with the Castile soap, or you can use the oxygen cleaner or the dishwashing powder. Fill your sink, grab a scrub brush, and then just start scrubbing. Reassemble it and then put it back where you found it. And I think you'll find that your dishes get a little bit cleaner.